For a silent or unintended installation, the inode exec can be called in the CMD with the parameters -x or -e and thus unpacked. Just like that, you receive the installation files of the individual components in MSI form. Now you can call a selected MSI with the command line parameters /qn or /passive or /qb to perform a silent installation. After hitting enter, the MSI will be installed. You can use different MSI parameters to customize the silent installation, as you can see here. You can also use the IDERI Node Client Customization Wizard to create an MST file. The IDERI Node Client Customization Wizard is located within the admtools.msi.